Welcome to Bristol Crown Court. This short video will show you what you can expect if you come here to give evidence as a witness in a criminal trial. When you arrive at the main entrance, the first thing you'll do is go through an airport-style security check. Then make your way to the witness suite on the ground floor. The security guards will tell you which way to go.
Hello, welcome to the witness suite.
The witness suite is a safe, friendly space where you can stay until it's time for you to go to the courtroom to give your evidence. You're welcome to bring a friend or family to support you. They can stay in the witness suite while you're in court, or if they're not witnesses themselves, they can go to the courtroom and sit in the public gallery. A volunteer from the witness service will spend some time with you in the witness suite. They'll explain the way the court system works and what it may be like to give evidence.
So, yes, that's right. The judge will be there. They're quite elevated so that they can see the whole of the courtroom at any one time.
And we keep information for 6 months.
The witness service is completely independent of the legal system. Our job is to offer support and information and answer any questions you may have. At this stage, it's quite normal to feel nervous or a bit apprehensive. We're here to guide you through what for some people can be a difficult time. While you're waiting, you'll be given the chance to read through your statement if you've made one, and your barrister may come to talk to you about your case. When it's time for you to go up to court, a court usher will normally come to collect you.
Hello, I'm one of the ushers. You're wanted in court now. Would you like to follow me?
Your case may be heard in any one of the 10 courtrooms at Bristol Crown Court. All the courtrooms have very similar layouts, so whichever one you're in will look much like this. You'll normally give your evidence from the witness box, and you can either stand or sit down. Most people in the courtroom have a specific role to carry out. The judge makes decisions about the law and ensures that witnesses are treated fairly. The defendant is the person on trial. They sit in the dock with a security guard. It's the job of the jury to listen to all the evidence and decide whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty. The prosecuting barrister, who usually sits nearest to you, will try to persuade the jury that the defendant has committed the crime they are charged with. The defense barrister represents the defendant and will present their case to the jury. There may be members of the public sitting quietly in the public gallery, a seating area at the side of the courtroom. The first thing you'll do is promise out loud to tell the truth. You can swear on a holy book, such as the Bible, Quran, or Torah, or you can use a non-religious affirmation. Then the judge will speak to you.
You're going to be asked some questions now by the barristers in this case, but it's important that you answer their questions towards the jury so that they can hear everything that you have to say.
Now you'll give your evidence to the court.
Would you give your full name to the court, please?
After you've given your name, the prosecution and defense barristers will ask you a series of questions based on the witness statement you previously made. The jury will listen carefully to what you say, and the judge will often take notes.
I have no further questions for you, but if you'd like to remain there, my learned friend for the defence will have some questions in cross-examination.
I'm going to ask you some questions on behalf of the defendant.
It's the defense barrister's job to test the strength of the prosecution case. Either barrister can challenge the evidence you've given to the court. When both barristers have finished,
I have no further questions.
the judge will speak to you again.
That completes your evidence, and you're free to go now. But it's important for you not to talk about what you've told us until the trial is all finished. Thank you very much for coming, and you can now go.
When the judge has released you from the court, you are free to leave. You can now return to the witness suite, take a seat in the public gallery, or leave the court building straight away. By giving evidence in court, you'll be playing a vital role in our justice system. At the Citizens Advice Witness Service, we'll offer you the support to help you give the best possible evidence you can.